In this video, we'll discuss about what is management. Management is the art of getting things done through people. For example, a team leader coordinating employees to meet a deadline. Next, what is management? Okay, so management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling efforts to achieve goals. For example, a manager overseeing a product launch from idea to market. Management is the coordination of human, financial, and physical resources to meet objectives. For example, a hospital administrator allocating staff budget and equipment. Management is a social process involving responsibility for the effective use of resources. Example, a school principal managing teachers and curriculum. Management is achieving results through the efforts of others. For example, a sport coach leading a team to victory. Management is the science and art of decision making. For example, a CEO choosing between global expansion or domestic focus. Management is the function that coordinates the efforts of people to accomplish goals. For example, a logistic manager ensuring timely delivery. Management is the working with and through others to accomplish organizational objectives. For example, a restaurant manager assigning rules to staff for smooth service. Management is the art of creating an environment in which people can perform efficiently. For example, a startup founder fostering a productive workplace culture. Management is organizing people and systems in a way that produces effective results. For example, a factory manager is streamlining production lines. Management is guiding human and material resources towards achieving an enterprise goal. For example, a construction manager directing workers and materials for a building project. Management is a systematic way of doing things. For example, a retail chain using standard procedures for customer service. Management is about making things happen. For example, a campaign manager ensuring all election activities run smoothly. Management is leading others to succeed. For example, a non-profit director inspiring staffs and volunteers to reaching fundraising goals. Management is maximizing output with minimal input. For example, a process engineer improving efficiency in manufacturing. Management is ensuring the right people are in the right roles. For example, an HR manager hiring talent that fits the company's needs. Management is delivering value through people. For example, a customer support manager training agents for better service. Management is a means to an end, not an end in itself. For example, a business consultant improving operation to boost profits. Management is an art and science. Example, a financial manager using both data and judgment to make investment choices. Management is balancing competing demands and priorities. For example, a hotel manager juggling guest satisfaction, staff needs, and budget. Management is aligning resources, people, and process with strategy. For example, a strategic planner ensuring daily operations reflect long-term goals. Management is a dynamic process of decision making and control. For example, a crisis manager handling emergency responses in real time. Management is the effective use of people and resources to achieve desired outcomes. For example, an IT manager distributing tasks based on team members' strengths. Management is goal-directed behavior. For example, a sales manager setting targets and guiding their team to hit them. Management is about handling complexity and adapting to change. For example, a retail manager adjusting inventory during seasonal demand shifts. Management is about handling complexity and adapting to change. For example, a retail manager adjusting inventory during seasonal demand shifts. Thank you dear viewers for watching my video. If you want more videos like this, then please do like, subscribe and share my YouTube video. Thank you very much once again for watching my YouTube channel. Bye bye. This was only for today.